Hello everybody! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to play our Dr. Seuss board game. You should all have a big board game paper that looks like this. You will start on the blue cloud and you're going to make a figure eight as you go around the board. You'll start by following the arrow around and then again another arrow there all the way. When you get to here, you'll want to jump over and then come back to start. I've also provided you with some of the game pieces. These are going to be what you have to collect in the game. Your object or the purpose of this game is to collect every different color of person, which means you have to have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. You have to collect 6 different colored people. So some of the rules though, you can't take a color if you've already taken a color. If you already have a blue, then you're gonna have to get a different color to complete your rainbow. We read the story today, My Many Colored Days, so our little people are the little colored people from our story today. Depending on the number of colored people that you have, you can play this game with up to 4 players. So as you can see, I have 4 little yellow people, which means that each person playing would be able to get 1 yellow person. Some other materials that you might need for this activity to grab around your house is any kind of pawn that you want to use for the game. We just stacked up some Legos and we're going to be using these as our player pieces, and you're also going to need a dice. I have just a regular dice that we're going to be using today. If you have a dice that you are able to change the numbers or to write and wipe away, then I suggest working on some bigger numbers for your child. If your child is already recognizing groups of 1, 2, and 3, then I would maybe put the bigger numbers only on your dice. Mine is obviously a traditional dice with 1 to 6, but again, adjust it so that your child is starting to recognize different quantities and different written numerals based on where they are at. Parents, the player pieces do need to be cut in half so that they are individual people and not together. So go ahead and take a moment and cut the rest of your little people in half and put them into a pile. And once you have that done and you have your playing pieces in your dice, we're gonna get started playing our game today. Okay, so to play our game, we're gonna start at the blue cloud and we're gonna go around the board, and every time we come back to start, we get to collect a rainbow person until we have a whole rainbow. So Leon, these are gonna be our playing pieces. What color do you wanna be?
I will be red.
Okay, and I'll be white. You get to go first. Three, 4, 5. Okay, you get to pick a rainbow person. Who do you want to pick first?
Green.
Okay, put it in your pile.
Because I love green.
Okay, put it in your pile. The concept of the game is fairly simple. You roll, you move, and as you get around, you collect your rainbow pieces. And after you've collected all of your rainbow people, then you are done. The game can become a little bit time consuming. If you want to include 2 dice, if your child is more advanced, you can use 2 dice and have them add the numbers together to go around a little bit faster. So make any modifications that you need to for your child to complete the game. If you need to only do 3 colors of the rainbow, then you can just do 3 colors. Say the first person to go around 3 times is the winner, and they can pick their favorite color. This game is completely customizable, so don't think that you have to do it one specific way. We want to make sure that children are having fun and learning numbers and engaging in a meaningful way. Play and games is a lot more meaningful for their learning than just looking at the numbers. So I hope you guys enjoyed our Dr. Seuss board game. Have fun playing, and we'll see you next time.